Hello, YouTube. It's your boy, the Crazy Trader, and I'm here again with your favorite stock review. Like I always say, get money, don't make no money, and you always gotta risk it to get the biscuit. Where am I here? RVI. I haven't done a video on this, stock in a while because I was watching some amazing World Cup games. I love soccer, so I watch World Cup games, and I haven't been able to get the time to make any videos. But I feel like there's an update that everybody needs to know, so I'm gonna do this real quick. I'm just gonna take 5 minutes, do it, and bounce out of here. Okay. So RVI, $37 today. For transparency, I will show you what I have in my portfolio. My average cost is 26.59. I have 181 shares. I'm up 39%. I used to buy $20 every day, but that is on pause because I didn't have money in my account. But now there's a little bit of money, so I'm going to resume this real quick. So this is the update that I have for you. They had 10. The number of holdings used to be just 10 companies. Now it's 11. What has changed? I'll show you real quick. We've spoken about all these companies: Databricks, Revolut, Mercor, Alex, Boom, Supersonic, Aura, Ramp, 11. We've spoken about all of them. There's no point in speaking about them anymore. So the last one was OpenAI, and now they have SpaceX. But I want to believe so. SpaceX, they didn't invest in SpaceX when it was private. They invested in SpaceX when it IPO'd. Okay, so SpaceX IPO is what they invested in. So this cash equivalent, which is 51.7%, is not up to date. Okay, this was the last time that they reviewed, which was March 31st. That's when they did all their, the first quarter. So that was their review. So the next time is going to be around June, you know, June, not June, I think July. So June ending, July, I think their review is going to come. Their quarterly review is going to come back again, and then we're going to see how much cash holdings they have. I know for sure that they invested 75 million in OpenAI. I really didn't check how much they invested in in SpaceX, but I know they invested some money in the SpaceX IPO. So SpaceX has changed. Let's go check the institutional holders if they've changed. Nothing about the institutional holders have changed. It's saying 16.06%. Um, 21 institutional holders, but the big guys are in, right? Teachers retirement system of Texas is all here. Jane Street is all here. So all these people, as soon as you see some of these people, some of these companies, then you should know that the big guys are coming in. Right now, I want to believe the valuation is a little high, so nobody wants to buy. They want to buy it at a lower valuation and ride it all the way. So the company is doing really good. It's not a company, but the fund is doing really good, and I hope they are able to invest in companies like Andro, which I really like a lot, and a company like Anthropic, which I also love a lot. So I don't know if Anthropic is going to raise money before their IPO. Since the IPO is so close, I don't think they're going to raise any more money. Same thing for Andro. I think they're going to keep raising money, but Anthropic, I don't think they're going to raise any more money because the IPO is very, very, very close. So I want to believe they're going to do the same thing that they did in SpaceX, which is buy Anthropic at the IPO price. So it's okay. I don't mind. But if the fund buys it at IPO price, that's fine with me because I believe in a company like Anthropic, and I think it's going to do really well. So I hope they do that, and then we are able to enjoy the benefits of the fund. A lot of these companies haven't IPO'd yet, apart from SpaceX. So I'm happy. OpenAI, I believe, is going to IPO by the end of the year or early next year. So that's also good. I'm looking forward to that. Some of these companies won't IPO in the next 2-3 years. So, I have no problem just waiting. I like buying the fund because I hope that in the near future, when this company's IPO is gonna balloon the valuation. For now, you can see the net asset value is like 24.05, but eventually we know where it's gonna get. So 37, $37.10. I'm up, I think, like I said, 14%. No, not 14, 39%. My portfolio is doing really good, and I hope yours is doing great too. Anyways, this is just a quick information about RVR. We invested in SpaceX, which is good news. I won't take too much of your time. Have a good day. Have a wonderful and amazing night. Be safe and peace.